For many organizations, the lines of communication to frontline workers tend to be fragmented, confusing, and sometimes non-existent. At Safety Culture, we've solved this problem with what we call the heads-up feature, a one-to-many communication solution that guarantees simple knowledge sharing and acknowledgements. In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at how to create heads-ups via the iAuditor web app. Please note that heads-ups can only be created by users with a heads-up management permission. To create a heads-up, first log into the iAuditor web app. Then, select Heads-up from the menu on the left-hand side. Click Create Heads-up on the upper right of the page. On this page, configure each field to create the heads-up. To add more context to the heads-up, you have the option to add media attachments, which can be in the form of a video or a few photos. You can include a video of up to 3 minutes or 1.5 gigabytes, or up to 6 photos that are no more than 50 megabytes in total. In the first text field, type in the heads-up title. This should be brief and clear. Now in the next text field, type in the heads-up description. This is an opportunity for you to include more details of the message that you want to convey. Then, select the users and/or groups that you want to assign. If you want your assignees to acknowledge that they've viewed the heads-up, you can leave the Require Acknowledgement field enabled. Once you've finished filling out each field, click Publish on the upper right of the page. In the pop-up window, click Publish once more to create the heads-up. Please note that heads-ups can't be edited once published. And that's how you create heads-ups via the iAuditor web app.